Apple just shattered expectations at its latest awe-dropping event. And whether you're a die-hard fan or an Apple skeptic, you can't ignore the buzz. Love them or loathe them, Apple's annual September unveiling is the tech world's Super Bowl, a spectacle where new devices are showcased and loyalists line up to debate every detail. But this year's announcements? Even insiders were caught off guard. Curious? Let's dive in, because not all the reactions have been positive. And Apple made some bold moves, sure to rile up discussion in the comments. The curtain rises. What did Apple reveal? Packed into an hour at Cooper, the big players, a quick tour. iPhone 17 series. The base iPhone 17 $799 now boasts Apple's celebrated 120Hz ProMotion display, a long-awaited upgrade catching up to rivals, and a souped-up front camera perfect for flawless selfies or video calls. Powering it all is the speedy new A19 processor, boosted by a neural engine for next-gen AI tasks. But here's the real kicker. The new iPhone Air, lighter, sleeker, and at just $999. It's Apple's thinnest phone yet. Only one rear camera made the cut, sparking chatter about design versus function. Is a minimalist camera worth the sacrifice for ultimate portability? The Air runs on the more advanced A19 Pro chip and comes in striking new shades, including eye-popping cosmic orange. Pro Max models, starting at $1,099 and $1,199. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max usher in new camera technology, a larger camera visor, a powerful telephoto sensor sporting a 4x optical zoom, down from last year's 5x, controversially. Meanwhile, the $799 Apple Watch Ultra 3 ups the ante with a sprawling, brighter OLED display, satellite-based emergency messaging, and the brand's longest battery life yet at 42 hours. And let's not forget the Apple Watch SE 3, debuting at $249, which now finally delivers an always-on display and ultra-fast charging. Most missed feature? The new watches wowed on every front, except, perhaps, for Apple not baking in temperature tracking, a move many hoped for, especially given the focus on health metrics. AirPods Pro 3. Kicking off the event, these $249 earbuds come loaded with a multi-port acoustic architecture for superior music and call quality, double the active noise cancellation prowess, and battery life that can last an impressive 8 hours, even with ANC. Customizable ear tips, 5 sizes, ensure a better fit than ever before. Health buffs, however, were disappointed by the missing temperature sensor, even as heart rate monitoring borrowed from Powerbeats Pro joined the mix. Some say this missed opportunity may hand the health wearable edge to rivals like Aura's smart rings. Let's talk pricing, colors, and availability. Apple stayed close to last year's pricing, with base 256GB storage for all iPhones. iPhone 17, $799. iPhone Air, $999. iPhone 17 Pro, $1,099. iPhone 17 Pro Max, $1,199. Pre-orders open Friday, September 12th, and devices hit stores on Friday, September 19th. Standout colors include lavender, mist blue, black, white, and sage for the standard models, with silver, cosmic orange, showstoppers, and shockwaves. The iPhone Air's debut drew the strongest reactions, with its impossibly thin 5.6 millimeters, ceramic reinforced, titanium frame, and single rear camera. Expect heated debate. Is the trade-off of camera versatility justified by design innovation? Is eSIM only a future-proof move, or a logistical headache for travelers? Meanwhile, Apple made sure to flex its AI muscles, introducing center stage selfie AI, using machine learning, not generative AI, to auto-frame shots, surely a boon for creators. The base iPhone now lives to a 120Hz refresh rate, and the main camera packs a robust 48-megapixel sensor for crisp photos and versatile shooting modes. Still, Not everyone welcomes Apple's shift to a 4-lens, and this is where most people miss the subtle shifts. Apple's Silicon, the new A19 chip, and its upgraded A19 Pro sibling marks a major step forward for battery life, gaming, and on-device AI. The iPhone 17 Pro ditches titanium for lighter aluminum, sparking controversy, integrates a vapor chamber for thermal management, and introduces an anti-reflective screen coating for improved visibility outdoors. When Apple says the new iPhones have the most efficient compute ever, is that marketing fluff? Many expected bolder AI news, but Apple mostly showcased incremental upgrades with the promise that Siri 2.0 and more transformative changes will arrive next year. Should Apple fans be worried about falling behind Google's Pixel line or Samsung's Galaxy, which have led the AI arms race? A few surprising twists to watch. iPhone Air's global eSIM-only launch, eliminating physical SIM cards.